How to schedule Walmart pickup. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to schedule Walmart pickup. So to schedule a Walmart pickup, you will first need to sign into your Walmart account or create one. Then just navigate to how do you want your items or section and choose pickup. As you can see, you can just tap on this pickup or delivery. So now just tap on this add address to verify your address, and by simply providing all of the details such as first name, last name, street address, make sure all of them are correctly. And as you can see, there is a asterisk icon, so it's a compulsory option. So you must provide your city name, state name, zip code, and as well as phone number correctly. And once you add your address successfully, you can just tap on the pickup option over here. And once you successfully sign into your account, as you can see, I have not signed in yet. So once you successfully signed into your account, you will then be able to select a store and choose a date and time for your pickup. After adding items to your cart, you can proceed to checkout and confirm your order. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.